This website will help you create your own noise, like your own noise. So they have the bird, crickets, coffee shop, singing bowl, white noise. They have fire, wind, waves, thunder, and rain. My favorite is the rain. Then a little bit of thunder and wave, and then the wind. So these four over here are my favorite. So you can customize it the way you want. You can customize it the way you want, and it's available on Android and iOS. So you can time it, mix it, and also share with your friends. So check this website out and save this video for later. And yeah.